Xin chào quý chị và các em. Do you like reading? Well, did you know that Đoàn Thánh Thể in the United States is known as a chapter? An easy way to remember this is that each Đoàn has its own unique and special story, just like a chapter in a book. So what's the difference between a Đoàn and a Liên Đoàn? And what's the difference between a Liên Đoàn and a Miền? In this video, we hope to cover exactly that. Welcome back to another episode of Lavang 101. If a Đoàn is a chapter, then a Liên Đoàn must be a chapter book, filled with many different stories coming together to create a greater story. A Liên Đoàn is known in English as a league of chapters and consists of at least 5 different Đoàn coming together. Within the Liên Đoàn, different events can be organized, such as Đại hội or training camps. A Liên Đoàn may consist of at least 5 Đoàn within the same diocese, the same county, or the same state, as seen with the 5 Liên Đoàn in California. More commonly in the rest of the United States, however, a Liên Đoàn consists of Đoàn from a set region, ranging from 2 to 12 states. Once a Liên Đoàn has been established, a patron saint will be chosen as a role model for the Liên Đoàn, and will be what the Liên Đoàn will be known as going forward. There are 11 Liên Đoàn in the United States. So now where does a Miền or region come in? A Miền is what a Liên Đoàn was formerly known as prior to 2019, and the two are relatively similar, with the exception that back then there were 8 Miens, and they were named for where they were located in the country rather than with a patron saint. So our Liên Đoàn Biển back then was known as Miền Nam, or their southern region. So let's take a look at the 11 Liên Đoàn. Starting with Liên Đoàn Biển, or the St. Benedict League of Chapters, which consists of the states of Arkansas, Louisiana, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. Next, we have Liên Đoàn Daming Savio, or the Dominic Savio League of Chapters, which consists of the states of Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Washington, D.C., and West Virginia. Next, we have Liên Đoàn John Fallow High, or the John Paul II League of Chapters, which consists of the states of Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Next, we have Liên Đoàn Zanda, or the Joan of Arc League of Chapters, which consists of the states of Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee. Next, we have Liên Đoàn Ignacio Loyola, or the Ignatius Loyola League of Chapters, which consists of the states of Alaska, Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, Oregon, South Dakota, Utah, Washington State, and Wyoming. Next, we have Liên Đoàn Fallow-Hein, or the Paul-Hein League of Chapters, which consists of the states of Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, and Vermont. Then we have Liên Đoàn Thánh Gia, or the Holy Family League of Chapters, which consists of Bakersfield, California, Fresno, California, Oakland, California, Sacramento, California, San Francisco, California, San Jose, California, and the state of Hawaii. Next, we have Liên Đoàn Nguồn Sống, or the Source of Life League of Chapters, which consists of Orange County, California. Then we have Liên Đoàn Ra Khơi, which consists of Los Angeles, California, and Las Vegas, Nevada. Then we have Liên Đoàn San Diego, or the San Diego League of Chapters, which consists of San Diego, California. And finally, we have Liên Đoàn Sinai, or the Sinai League of Chapters, which consists of the state of Arizona, Riverside, California, and San Bernardino, California. Remember that a Liên Đoàn is also led by a Ban chấp hành, just like individual Đoàn have their executive boards. And that closes the book on another episode of Lavang 101. We hope you learned a little something. So what state and Liên Đoàn would you like to visit one day? Me personally, I'd love to visit Đoàn Andre Yulak in Liên Đoàn Thánh in Hawaii. So until the next episode, keep that TNTT spirit going so that you may continue to help write your chapter story. Peace out.